All right. Ooh. I think I like this one. We'll see. But yeah, I think okay. Fine. Be that way. We'll take this guy. Pull you. Where we at? Ludicolo. Ooh, Doduo. Kinda exactly the thing I want to do. So I think we will. Wild normal? Yup. We can't get both of these, so we can't get 6 normal with, or 7 normal with full wild. But I think we just keep playing wild, right? I will take this. And pull these out, I guess. Doesn't really matter, right? 3 flying. Oh boy. So Doduo, it basically just like ramps its speed by like stupid amounts. Increase speed by 10 or 20. I think I like Shell Bell on it, maybe? Sell all these guys. Keep the normal type. Because we could play 2 wild and 1 normal. Or 3 normal. Could be power length. Okay, dude. Well, I don't have a plan for any of this, so I think we'll just skip it. Looks like everybody else is skipping it too, which is good. Nobody else has a plan either. Very nice, very nice. I think we'll just level and put this in. So Doduo. Yeah, that works. So Doduo, or Dodrio, it just increases its speed. God damn, 10 to 24? And it doubles its health? Power lens doesn't seem that bad, actually. Or do you want it to be in the back line? Do you want to, like, wide lens upgrade it? That'd be kind of funny. Good paralyze. Nice, nice. Yeah, I think we'll take this. 21. Yep. All right. We've got nothing too specific. It doesn't really matter, right? If we're playing wild. And actually, I guess this is technically better. Because then we're actually providing shields. Yeah. We could money, but I think it really just depends if we're running it backline or frontline. I think we might run it backline because there's really not... There's really not many backline wild units anyway. Most of them are frontliners. Okay, dude. Alright. Fair enough. Well, let's just hope that we win the round. So if we do wide lens upgrade Aqua Egg to get that first cast. Or Maybe Soldu? We could upgrade Soldu. We could try it. And I think I will. Alright. It's wild time. It's not wild time. This is bullshit. So we want levels in you, and then we need you. Obviously we need you. What would we be trying to pick up? Probably Zangoose or Kangaskhan, either one. That way we get 5 normal, at least, right? There's no way for us to get, like, a silk scarf. Unless off a carousel. That's possible. We'll take this. 49. We can upgrade you. And then miss out on the shield. We'll try it. Could money as well. I don't think so, though. What about Mana Scarf? I don't know. I think I like Soldu. Maybe not. We'll see. Okay, Yanmega. Just straight up bugs. We should beat bugs, right? Looking like yes. Very nice. So we hit our 50 gold. And then, do we roll down this turn? Probably. I don't know how to do this. Yep, we'll roll. I'll pick you up. Go ahead and put this in. Roll. And again. Yep. And again. Pretty much just pick up wild types, right? We'll go ahead and drop you. Like this. Yep. Pick you up. You're normal wild. Sure. I think we'll go to 30. Go ahead and drop this. That way we're not like too deep in it, but like we can catch back up, right? Hopefully. Maybe that's a mistake. I don't know. Stardust? No. We could like protective pads, Kangaskhan. That'd be a good thing. Normal wild. Damn. Well, we're definitely taking wild if we can. And we can. I don't know which one would have been better, but it matters not. And then we can pick you up. Ooh, there's Kangaskhan. I do want to play Kangaskhan as a carry at some point. What is not normal on my team? Oh, you. Fair enough. I think we'll upgrade this for now. And then, yeah, we're holding these guys. And then we're shielding everyone. So deal special damage to the target and inflict them with flinch. Doubled if the target has a shield. Yeah, I think I'll protective pads it. I want to play it for Mother's Day. But yeah, maybe. Be a little too alike, but maybe we can make an exception. We'll see. Are we okay? Yeah, I think we're fine. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 51. I can sell you guys. Damn, brother. Well, I mean, we can hold out for Aqua. Dude, imagine if I got Zangoose. We'd be cooking. For sure. We'll take this. We'll sell. And then we'll pick up you and you. And then we can put flying in, but I don't think I care to. I didn't want to Aqua Egg, but as a backup, I think it's fine. Problem is, if we do get Soldu, like, then we're probably gonna end up having to Smoke Ball. And I mean, I don't love Smoke Ball as an item, generally speaking. Okay, just absolutely ruined by the bugs. Why are you getting Iggly buff on that team? Ah, for sound. Interesting. So you got a little bit of poison, a little bit of sound. I like it. Holy shit. Yeah, I mean, that gets us there, right? So we'll take this. No fucking way that happened, dude. I think I'll sell the Rufflet if we win. And if we don't, I probably should sell the Zangoose. Or not Zangoose, Zigzagoon. But if we have normal, that's kind of nuts, right? That'll give us 7 normal, 9 wild. That'd be cool. We need to be ready to sell either this or this. It just depends on if we win or not. We shall see. I think we're in a good spot though. Fluffy Tail Red Orb. Do you have dragon or monsters? You don't. But you do just absolutely clap my Kangaskhan. Damn, brother. 168 special damage. Cool. Yep, I'll take that. Oh, we didn't sell shit. My bad. Whoopsies. I was too busy looking at their shit. Yeah, I mean, what more could you want, right? Like, I think this is just good. And then we can move Silk Scarf onto our legendary. One of the dogs. And then play Doduo, play Teddy Ursa, play... I don't know what the last one would be, but we can figure it out. It shouldn't be hard. Maybe you. It's possible. We'll roll. I will take that. I'll take that just because it counts toward my specific goals. Yeah, I'd accept that. And then probably swap you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Swap you for now. And then keep going. Sure, we'll take the Braviary. I think we'll go to 30 again. Beautiful. No, I don't think I need to hold you. I guess I can. Because we don't have another PvE round for a second. God fucking damn it. Well, hopefully we get glasses here and then we'll probably just end up Aqua Egging. We do not. That sucks. We can King's Rock you. I think what we'll do is probably just hard scale and then Rocky Helmet this. And then we can sell this to hit 40. I don't know. I don't think that we really care to do that. Oh, whoopsies. My bad. I was hovering over the wrong thing when I clicked. Uh-oh, baby 7. Do they have an egg yet? They do not. Alright, that was their last turn to get one. I think they'll probably just die too soon. Yeah, their Poiple isn't leveled either. So they're probably just dead. And they do get the golden egg. That's okay though. I think we'll be okay. We could add 20% attack and another 50 speed. Yeah. We'll do it. Just to secure the win, right? Or try to, at least. What normal type do we not have leveled? I think we've got everybody. Other than we need Doduo. We're missing one, though. Wild. Oh, no, we're not. Yeah, we're not because of, yeah. Okay, well, there's our wide lens. I think wide lens is more important than... What's it called? Sure, I'll hold that. It's fine. Wide lens is more important than Soldu, right? You can't be holding an item. We can make you even further back. We could still get Soldu. It's potential. So, I think we chill. Wide lens wouldn't be providing us much anyway, right? Still need that Doduo. Do we roll down on Lugia? With 5%? I don't know. Okay, fuck your fighting team. Good thing that's not a Lucario. I actually want to play Lucario. I haven't even, like, looked at its... I've only used it for, like, filling baby out, you know? Take this. How close can we get? We can definitely get to 7. And I think I will next turn. And then roll. That way we have, what is it, a 15% chance? We just want to hit Dodrio. And then once we do that, we're chilling, right? We do need to get to 9. But I don't know. Are we missing somebody? Because we have the... Am I crazy? We have the silk scarf. Hold on. Sorry, I'm going nuts. We have this, we have you, we have you, we do have you. I just don't have you, that's why. I don't have Dodrio. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 15%. I think we will just roll it out. Oh, yeah, that would be why. We'll sell this, we'll pick you up, we'll roll, and again, and again. Alright, dude. Okay, dude. Sure. I just need... Brother. Help me out here. There is no goddamn way we didn't pick up a 1. Well, I'll pick that up, that's fine. That's kind of insane, though. Well, we just wasted all of our money in hopes that we would get a Doduo that never came. I think we will just Aqua Egg, Revive. Double wild's what it's gonna have to be. This does look good for Dodrio. At least, right? We'll take the Teddy Ursa. And then we will probably just go ahead and sell the most expensive one. We'll pick up Entei. Throw Entei in on you. Probably go ahead and normal type. Hold up. Let's normal type Teddy Ursa. And then double shield Entei, double shield Teddy Ursa. I think this is fine. Yeah, everybody else is a normal type. We can revive Kangaskhan. And then I'm ready with my items. I just, you know, I need them on. We are still there. Oh, what did I do? There we go. Yeah, I mean, I just need Doduo, and then we're chilling on full normal. We'll sell this. Yeah, I don't know. I think we need to make the money back. I really just need fucking Doduo, bro. Crazy that we didn't hit a single one. 24% chance to find a wild type. I think we just chill and hope, right? We can go ahead and sell this. Yeah. Maybe I shouldn't have leveled this stuff. Yeah, that's probably it. I shouldn't have leveled anything that isn't staying. They're literally just there to kind of pad my stats. Or my chances. Alright. Looks like fighting got us this time. Unfortunately. Wasn't too far off though. Fighting Deoxys is gross. Probably just box. Great. Let's take the Reaper Cloth. Bruh, 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 bruh. Okay. I was gonna say, that's some bullshit. So we got 30 gold. We're chilling with 30 health. Yeah, fighting Deoxys, that is something for sure. I think we could box Entei, but I think we will just box Ursa Ring. Teddy Ursa, whatever. Hope that it picks up an Aqua or a Lucky Egg. That'd be nice. So gives normal synergy and increased shield from all sources by 50%. These are the only sources of shield, right? Unless we get an item. Do you give shield? You just give protect. Okay. Electric. I think we're fine here. Yep. Nice. Top 5. We're in a good spot. I can hold the wild type in shop, actually. Same thing here. We'll go to the legendary birds. I can sell. Yeah. Well, we'll see if we win. Because if we win, there's really no point, right? I think this is really good. I just have to get there, you know? It's one of those... Until you get there, it's not that great. I mean, it's still really good, right? We gain 100 speed, 20% attack. Okay. Well, looks like Rhydon absolutely destroyed us this time. Rhydon on a grass team. We love that. We love that. We'll sell this. I've got to find Doduo. Got to. Pick you guys up, pick you up, roll. And here, and roll. And again. Brother, don't do this to me. Sure. Finally, holy shit. We'll put in Doduo for you. And then I think what we do is probably just like sell all of this shit. Where are we at? That's 50. And then we go to 8 next turn, put this in. I think we kind of have to. We can put money on Entei. Do we need Fluffy Tail? There's 2 poison teams. I think maybe we should just Fluffy Tail. See if that helps us out. And then I think we do just go to 8. Get our full normal. I don't know. I think, yeah, I think this is good. It's possible that we just kind of fizzle out, but now that we have our synergies, what does 9 wild give us? Plus 40% attack instead? Are we just dead? We took way too long to get the fucking Doduo. I'm pissed. That's some bullshit. We're not dead though? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We're fine. I'm super just dead though, right? We could hit Dodrio. That's pretty much it. Nope. Nope. Okay. Alright. There's that. Alright, dude. Well, we got 1. Hope that we win. Although I'm not sure how good we're going to do against this fighting team. Look at how fast it's going. Damn, it just got absolutely aura sphered. Fair enough. Super cool. I think had we actually gotten the Doduo and not had to roll all of our fucking money for it, we probably would have been in a better position, right? Because Doduo isn't that great for attack, but Dodrio is pretty strong. So I think that was our main issue. But full on, I mean, I don't know how to get to 9 while still kind of stabilizing like that. I think largely the problem was literally just not finding Dodrio. But other than that, getting the Silk Scarf was super dope. I think that was really cool. Normal Wild is very interesting. Honestly, I don't think that they were tanky enough, really. I guess maybe that's because they weren't gaining the 40% attack. But they were still gaining a little bit, right? So, I don't know. It was a lot of fun. If you get a Silk Scarf, I think it's cool to play like normal wild. That'd be super dope. But that was normal wild, and on to the next one.